If you create video content for social media, we've got some good news for you. We've discovered an app that can create short form video 10 times faster using artificial intelligence. We'll demonstrate this app for you today, and you'll be cranking out videos in no time at all. So let's create some content together for this episode of the Bad AI Show.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Who's bad?
Hey, welcome to the Bad AI Show. Joel Comm and Travis Wright here, your Sherpa Derpas, your ombudsman omies. Omies? I guess if we were French, it would be ome, because you don't say the H.
That's true. You do not say that. So it's, this right here this is an interesting one. So if you are, creating Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts, or if you're creating TikToks, those kind of short form videos, this right here might be a solution. Joel's been playing with this. And actually, even if you look at the iOS App Store right now, Joel, I see there's only 3 reviews on this. So this is really new.
Yeah, they should be paying us for this. We're not getting paid for it. I just found it and I really like it. We have a lot of people reaching out to us via email, say, check this out, check that out, or, via Twitter or wherever. And so I try to check out stuff, but stuff comes so fast and furious. There was a time that I created a lot of Snapchat content, and Travis has created a lot of, Reels and YouTube Shorts. So here is the app. It's called Supercreator. Supercreator.ai. Turn yourself into a super creator. They claim that you can create short form videos 10 times faster with AI, and you can go download it for Google Play and on the App Store. And so we're going to just jump right in. I've got my phone right here, and using the miracle of technology, I can actually share the screen of my iPhone with you. And what I've done is I went here to my website, to my blog, and I found this article that I wrote called How Artificial Intelligence is a Game Changer. I grabbed that link, and I'm just going to take that link and I'm going to paste it right in here. And I'm going to say, create a script for me from this link. And so it's going to go through here and figure out what's the best headline for this. And it's going to create a bunch of scenes that we can then use to so that I can talk over it. This is all going to happen in real time right here. There's no editing taking place of this show to show you how quickly this is actually working. We're about 75% through the process right now, but it's adding magic. And that's that special thing. You have to put
magic. I like when they start adding that magic stuff. That's really helpful.
Got to put magic in there.
So basically, you just popped in a URL, and now it's going in and creating sort of we played with a video like that 2 or 3 years ago or so that was doing some of that, pulling in images, pulling in stuff that it thought was relevant. So let's see what this does based on what you just created.
So what it's done is it's created a bunch of scenes using in the text. You can see right here, the text. Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence is changing the game for businesses and individuals? Each one of these.
Wait a second. Scroll back up. Is that a robot with boobs?
I think so.
Wow. You got some bobos right there. Nice.
It's a boobot.
It's a pro boob.
It's a boobot. Now I can go in here and I can edit the text on this, but let's go ahead and just leave it what it's doing, with what it has right now as standard. Here's my second scene, and you'll see there's different assets that it's pulling from here that we can use. So, if we don't want to use the boob bot, we've got this one right here. And we have all these scripts. So what I'm going to do right now, it looks like there are 9 scenes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate with the content it's created how this works. I simply hit the record button. It's saving the script. And now you can see it's putting the image behind me. And there is a prompt up here at the top of the page that all I have to do is hit record on this. There's my real background. There's the image it created. And there's other lenses down here as well that I can use, right? There's some, fun stuff. I can set it up so that the image is up here, and I can be in my habitat. I kind of like this right here where I'm in the circle. This is kind of like those Loom videos that you do. So watch this. I'm just going to hit record and read the script. Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence is changing the game for businesses and individuals alike? And it goes to the second scene. Check this out. Well, wonder no more. AIs become a part of our daily lives in ways we may not even realize. From personal assistants like Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars, AI technology is revolutionizing the way we live. But what exactly is AI? Simply put, it's a machine that can learn from data without being explicitly programmed by humans. Now, let's say I'm done with it right there. I've gone through all of it. I then hit the check mark down here at the bottom, and it's going to take those clips, put them together. Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence is changing the game for businesses and individuals alike? Well, wonder no more. AI's become a part of our daily lives in ways we may not even realize. Now, I can move the text around. I can move my face around. I can edit this screen. And each of these, I can go in here and do trimming. I can go in here. Have you ever wondered? And do titles, different types of titles. I can pick a different style for one of the pages. I can go random with it. I can pick the marker style.
Oh, you can change the style. And so now you're going to go in and put text over it. So that was just basically you reading a teleprompter.
Correct.
Which is something that our president can't do that well. So nicely done. You can do something better than the president.
Just one thing. So all of these things. And then I can do.
You can add text over it now, huh? Okay.
Right. I can do this AI captioning over it like that. And we'll go ahead and put that in there. And now it's generating that. And then when we're all done, you can see there's a lot of features you can play with on here, Trav. I have a feeling you're going to be playing with this because I know you're doing a lot of shorts. And this really
have you ever wondered how
the process of creating this content. You can even go here and do overlays. And it's going to go in here and
that makes things so easy and so nice. And then it looks to me like you could probably upload your own backgrounds if you want, correct?
Yeah, it's very customizable. You can.
A lot of times, I like to record a screen. The fact that you can do this circle like a loom on this kind of a video, that makes it really handy.
And then I click finish. Now this one, we didn't read them all. I didn't edit this at all, but I could say, go ahead. I can put a watermark on it if I want to or not. And I can say export the video, and you pick the style, the size that you want. I'm going to go ahead and pick the 9:16, which is your ratio for stories and shorts and reels and all that. And before you know it, I save the video to my screen. And to give you an idea of, what that comes out like when it's done, that's complete. I can go to previous ones. So here's another one that I created that has 10 scenes. And let's just.
Wow, what's a super post? What does that mean? Oh, there we go. Look at that. Aha, here's the catchy title. Here's the hashtags you would use. Here's a caption. Here's what you would put on as a description. Like, wow, this really is this. Somebody who was creating content regularly was like, oh my, if I could have a super creator app and use AI to do this and that, here's what it is. That's why I'm so surprised this only has 3 reviews, folks. Not a lot of people are using this yet. So you could be an early adopter and jump on board.
So we can go in here and just type a concept as well. How to write a children's story, for example, and it will go and failed.
It will fail.
It will fail. I guess from time to time that happens.
I do like the idea of bringing in a story because there's so many news articles that are popping up, and a lot of times people are trying to be the first one to sort of newsjack that particular story. Well, with this type of thing, you could easily just go, all right, here's somebody who broke the story, boom, and pull out the main important points, talk about it, boom, you got a video, you upload it. That's pretty quick. I like that.
And even here, like there's AI ideas. So I clicked on one that's how to buy your first Bitcoin. And then you can go ahead and you can put keywords in here. You can put the tone of voice. You can put your target audience, the script structure. If you wanted to generate the AI assets, all of this, it will do it for you. I guess look at this, Trav. You can also pick what's the length, 30, 60, or 90 seconds.
And that's personal, private information. You don't need to know the length.
Supercreator.ai is where it is. And I hope that I want to see you try it, Trav, and see if you can create one of your pieces of content for shorts with it.
I've been so focused on the corn project lately that I've not been doing as many short videos, but this right here is something I'm going to try out and try to knock out some quick videos because there's lots of news that's popping up. I'm just not covering it as much right now because I'm working on other things. I think this could help me streamline stuff because really what I've been doing is I will captured my screen on my phone. Then I take that in the Dropbox, go to my computer, upload it from Dropbox. Then I gotta, I'll use my camera with a solid background, take that one, and then so I could fit in a little circle. And it was just a huge, long process, a big rigmarole. However, this right here eliminates some of the rigor and some of the morale. So that's good.
I hope you guys find it useful. As always, we appreciate when you subscribe, like, comment, share, and say nice things about us, because we are, you know, if you cut us, do we not bleed? Yes, we do.
And tell my mom nice things about me. I mean, she needs to hear these things. She's not happy right now.
Moms need encouragement. In fact, if you're fortunate enough to still have your mom on the planet with you, call her, tell her you love her, and also tell her to stay bad.